Finally, dumating na yung bag na order ko from MAH. Super na-amaze ako dito, ang laki at ang aesthetic ng color. May different colors na to na pagpipilian nyo. May adjustable straps at 2 side pockets na pwedeng lagyan ng coins or tumbler. Made in high quality materials and durable pa. With quality zipper lock na rin ito. Big and spacious, ang dami mong malalagay dito including your laptop at safe na safe ang gamit mo. May backsheet pocket na rin for protection for your wallet and cellphone. Makapal at malambot ang shoulder strap kaya hindi masakit sa likod. May button design para mas convenient. Waterproof fabric na rin ito kaya hindi basta-basta mababasa ang gamit sa loob. Available in 2 sizes, regular and large. This is my on-the-go backpack. Perfect for mommy like me and school bag for students.